Hey, how's it going, everybody? My name's JR and welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing kind of like a tutorial, but I'm going to be exploring it with you guys. I'm going to be modifying this Craftsman VersaStack. It's got some little cubbies and stuff for our drawers in here. I'm going to be cutting this to fit. There's a couple spots I need to trim off so that it can fit this kayak right here, which is my Titan. It is a Titan Propel 12, and I'm going to be trying to put it in here. So I do have to trim a little bit here and there on the box, not on my kayak, to get it to fit there perfectly. So yeah, that's what we're going to be doing today, and just trying to figure it out as we go. I have a couple of different tools that I'm going to try to use, see which one works best. But yeah, let's check it out. So first thing I'm going to do is get some of this stuff off of here. Getting ready for a tournament in 1 week. So I got to get this all done. I like to play this little game where I leave everything for the last minute. I'm going to remove these because I got to pull this seat completely off. Do this side, and I'll just leave them in there, and I'll do this side. Should be able to just pull this seat up over. Yep. So now I'm take my tape measure here, and then just kind of see where we're at on how wide. Looks like I'm going to measure off the bottom. So I'm going to say 15 and an eighth is where I'm going to be at. So we'll start at 15 and a quarter, and if we need to trim a little bit, I'd rather trim afterwards than trim before. Right, so this thing is actually going to be interesting because the drawers are wider than that. It's 15 and 5/8. So the videos that I've watched, a lot of them I've just taken off just enough to get it across. So I'm gonna take off just a little bit, just leave it right outside that right there, and then this right here too, just barely outside this. I have my, I can't remember what these are called, ice oscillating tools or something like that, but it's got a good blade on it. I should be able to cut through that. It wasn't that tall, so I think I'm only going to go to here, and maybe I should measure that. Oh yeah, so it's only about 3 inches, so that's good. 3 inches. So I think just 3 inches up from that. So 3 inches up from this should be right there. That's not too bad. About right here. Let's get to cutting. So I'm gonna actually kind of just color a little spot here. I'm using the liquid paint. It's the white one. I know I'm gonna just go up to right here. So just so I don't go over, try to just go on one side and the other. And then I'll probably just use this as the, well, a little bit lower than that. So probably around right there. And then for the back, I'll do the same. Even though the back is not as the main thing is just the rails. So so the back is not as tight as the front. So I'm just gonna go off that. Little line goes a long ways, especially when I get kind of tunnel vision when I'm doing this kind of stuff. I just start cutting, so it's better to have a line. And this thing will actually work. Might have to just get my marker. No, I guess that works. All right, so I just need to plug this in and off we go. All right, so here we go. So I got this part all cut, I think. I think it fused itself again. Alright, so that looks horrible, but I think I'll just sand it. Main thing is I might just have to get the front part off, not the back part. Let's do this side. Let's do this side. My secret lures out of here. Don't look at those. Don't look at those. Alright. Okay. So it looks like we need to take that bottom part off more on both sides. So I'll probably take, let's see how far. Yeah, I think I'm gonna have to take the entire thing off. Dang it. So I'm going to take this back part too on both sides and see where we're at then. I'm gonna put some gloves on. That almost hit me in my hand. Alright. At least this way I won't get slammed. At least this way I won't get slammed. And well, if it hits my hand, it's got padding and stuff, so I won't get all messed up. Like, I should have probably done this before. So if you're doing this, especially with this tool, might as well wear some gloves from the beginning. Okay, let's do another dry fit just to see. Alright, let's see where we're at now. A little better. I'm gonna have to take more off the bottom. I might do just like an angle. Let's do that. The good thing is that I can take all the way up to right here off, and then in here I can take more. I just don't want to disrupt the rails, because these are the rails where it comes in and out. So I can take all the way to this point right here. Ooh, so close. Yeah, it looks like I'm just gonna have to pull the lip off of both sides. Maybe even take some of the thing off. All right. Okay, this better work. Oh, no. I'm gonna need to take the lip off. Let's see. Oh, that lip doesn't hurt. Yeah, I'm gonna have to take that lip on both sides. Well, something's going on back here. That's. Oh, you know what? It's this thing right here. I'm gonna take that lip off, but I'm also gonna take this. And I have to open these just to make sure that they're not getting stuck. No, they're good. Okay. All right. Ah, man. Let's see. It better frickin' fit. Oh man, oh yeah, it does fit. Oh snap. Yep. What's it hitting on? Oh, it's hitting on that. I need to take that. I think just taking off that edge, and I think we're golden. Yeah. All right. So I'm going to take this off, and then I'm going to take some sandpaper, just kind of clean it up a little bit, even though I don't have to, but I'm still going to clean it up, and then I'll show you when it's in there. this one. In here. Nice and tight both sides. I could probably pull it forward a little bit. I'm gonna have to get rid of that thing. Probably push it down. Ooh. Let's take the drive out. We're just gonna make believe that this is down. Oh, it's still kind of hitting. Oh man. I wonder if I need to push it up a little bit. I think that works. I'm just gonna take the dividers from this one so that I can just stick some plastics or whatever in there. And then the top one I can pull completely out and put the rest of my stuff in this one. But yeah, definitely I gotta get rid of this. Put this somewhere else. Let's put it right here. Yeah, we'll just hook it here. I don't really put anything on this side. That looks good. I love it. It is scooting back a little bit on me, but I think I could probably put something back there to stop it. But definitely, it's just barely moving. I think we'll be okay. I'll probably just do like a little bungee here and then go across to the other side. But still, I mean, that looks pretty good. I'm very happy with it. Like I said, I have a tournament next weekend, so I'm gonna definitely be using the heck out of this. Well, I appreciate you guys tuning in and checking out with me how to do that. Like I said, I was pretty green on that whole process, so we figured it out. We figured it out for sure. Made it all fit. Works great. I just need to secure a couple things, maybe some double-sided tape or something like that will do the trick to keep it from sliding back and forth. But overall, I'm pretty happy with it. I'm gonna have more stuff come out on kayaks and just in general. I have a small boat, so we might go out and do some other types of fishing and some how-to stuff as well. But I appreciate you guys tuning in, and you have a wonderful day.